some stores they'll ask you to use the card as debit. But like I said, the app will prompt you on which option to use. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and load the cart up, take a picture of the receipt, and continue this order and see what we have next. All right, so to complete the order, I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of the receipt. I took 3 pictures. I'm gonna click done. Like I said, you have to keep the receipts. You cannot put the receipt in the bag. All right, so let me show you guys. Let's see what the delivery instructions say. All right, it says meet the customer. Okay, I wonder if that's him sitting right here. I don't know though, so let's see. They didn't put a bill. Oh, they put number 323. So what's gonna happen is, what I'm gonna do is, if they're not already down here, I'm gonna look for bill number 323. I'm gonna ring the bell and I'm gonna leave it at the door. Oh, he says that you outside. They text me and says that you outside. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click that message. See where their message they just text me, and I'm gonna just type yes and then send. All right, so they text me, so they buzzing me in. Whoops. All right, so we go.
I put the wrong thing. I'm sorry.
Which one?
It's here. I know. I put the wrong number on.
Oh, okay. That's okay. What is it? It's at 323 or something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I
Have
appreciate your drive safe.
So, a little bit of workout, but all right. So I click hand to the customer just because she was in communication with me, text me and let me know that she was buzzing me in and stuff like that. So, have a good one. So I went ahead and just delivered it to her door. She was standing outside. She also recognized that she had put in the wrong address number too. So by the time I made it up to the 3rd floor, she was already standing outside. So, but like I said, if she was not there, I would have just either put it at the door, or if the door would have been open, I would have put it in the hallway and taken a picture of it. All right, see what happens next. All right, so the next store I pulled up to was 7-Eleven. This is actually my first time doing like a convenience store. It's funny because, like I said, I haven't done Instacart in a while. I re-downloaded the app for the purpose of doing this video. I enjoyed it very much, just like Amazon Flex, just like Uber. The only thing is, like I said, with Uber, I can maximize my dollar there. I can make like $1,000 doing a week. With Amazon Flex and Instacart, I can possibly make $100 a day, and I can make a little bit more than that, but I don't like once I'm tired, I shut it off. Although I do goal set, like my minimum is 100, so I will work until I make 100. If I make it quickly, then I'll keep going. If I don't make it quickly, I stop at 100. But anyway, let's go ahead and go at 7-Eleven and see what that's like.
Slushies at?
You're not gonna like full rice, I promise you. Alright, eat a piece of your gum. I'm just getting the water.
I'm gonna put that I can't find the item, and see if there's any recommendations for replacement. Let's see. Okay, they said here that if you can't find it, they want a refund. So I'm gonna go ahead and click refund. So let's do this. So I'm gonna take a picture of it. And then I'm gonna, so 30 ounce. All right, so found item. Let's see the barcode scan. click skip scanning. I'm going to put this item as correct. I'm going to go ahead and take a photo of it. Okay, use photo. Alright, and then I'm going to check the message for the gummies because she did text me back. And she said the neon is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and can't find item, and then I'm going to select the replacement. And the replacement is going to be the neon gummies. So I have an Instacart order, and then I have my own things I want to purchase after. Message here says corner house with big brown deck. It says leave at the door of Colony Lane. Alright, so let's see what happens when we get there. Oh my god, it's getting hotter and hotter. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna have to turn the AC on because I can't stand the heat. Oh, found the house, found the address.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem. Have a good one. I'm just really picky sometimes when it comes to sometimes the way I choose my orders and stuff like that. If the distance is too far, I won't do it unless the batch is more than $20. If the amount of item is too much for what they're offering, money wise, I won't pick it. And then, you know, just little things I'm sharing here. Alright, so let me see. So they have a couple other features on here that's a little bit new to me. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what that look like. Let's see. So I'm gonna click access more batches. And then they have this called bulky batch delivery, and then they have pickup batches. So I'm gonna go ahead and click those and see what happens. So I'm gonna click opt in. Oh, it says check to see if my vehicle qualifies. I mean, okay, mine's not a minivan. Mine's like a SUV, I guess. Alright, so let's see what happened with that. I'm gonna also do pickup batches, and all that one is when people at the store, they shop for your batch and you literally just go to the store and just pick it up. I like that idea because I don't have to shop myself. Let's see. Oh, and let me see. In shop only batches. You will shop and check out what customer orders and stage it at the store's designated staging area. I don't really like that one though. So I'm gonna. The batches can be a good choice because they are faster and do not require the gas or mileage. Okay, so this one I'm gonna put this up for you guys just because this is like the options that they have. I know a friend of mine, when she used to ride around with me, and hey girl, if you see this video, but she used to ride around with me, and she was like, I don't have a car, but I wouldn't mind shopping for people all day. She like, and that'll be fun. So they do have an in-store option through the Instacart app, and so just in case if anybody was wondering, listen, when it comes to side hustles and all of that, ever since, like, listen, I told y'all, my last job as a supervisor, I was tortured. Okay, I was tortured. I was doing the work of 14 people as one individual person, and ever since then, I kind of made a commitment or a vow to myself that I will never do that again. I would never do that again. I don't like people above me. I don't like people who have manager positions try to make me feel like they're more superior than me because of a job title. Like, I don't like it. So, and I have other talents. I'm a licensed hairstylist. I got my license in 2009. I haven't updated it or anything. I don't work in a hair salon. I usually do hair from the comfort of my home. I haven't did it since my life thing got all kind of crazy. I have other things that I pursue. I also have a bartender certificate. I have not bartended in a while though. I don't like I don't like when I see drunk people and then bad things happen to them. Even though it's not me, I feel like I contribute to such bad behavior. So that's another thing. I have stories for days, okay? That's what I'm probably gonna start doing. I'm probably gonna start like sharing some of my stories with y'all, because I'm gonna tell y'all what made me stop bartending. But as we go on,